Greetings, dear friends. Welcome to my channel. Today, I have a delightful treat in store for you, an irresistible chocolate lava cake recipe, boosting a lusciously molten chocolate center. All it takes is a handful of straightforward ingredients. You will be amazed by just how effortless it is to create these homemade molten chocolate lava cakes. These individual desserts are intentionally undercooked, yielding a delectably melty chocolate center that cascades out enticingly when you cut into them. So, let's dive right in and embark on another delectable chocolatey dessert adventure. Ingredients: dark chocolate, half cup; butter, 1/3 cup; milk, 40 ml; eggs, 2 pieces; salt, half teaspoon; sugar powder, half cup; baking soda, half teaspoon; baking powder, half teaspoon; vanilla essence, half teaspoon; flour, 1 cup. Place the chopped chocolate into a bowl and gently melt it over low heat, stirring continuously until it reaches a smooth consistency. While doing so, combine the butter, stirring every 30 seconds until it has completely melted. In a moderately sized mixing bowl, combine the eggs and salt. Beat them on medium speed until they become thick and change color to pale yellow. Next, add in the sugar and thoroughly mix it. Pour in the vanilla essence and ensure it's well mixed. Gradually sift in the flour and then add the baking powder and baking soda. Carefully hand mix these dry ingredients until they are thoroughly combined. Now, gently fold in the melted chocolate using a spatula, making sure it's evenly incorporated into the mixture. Finally, pour in the milk and carefully fold everything together until the mixture is well blended. Spoon the batter into the molds. Place the filled molds in a preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius and bake for approximately 6 to 8 minutes. keep a close eye on them. The cakes should have firm sides, but the center should still have a slight jiggle when gently shaken. Allow the cakes to cool in their molds for 1 minute. Using a knife, carefully loosen the edges of the cake from the mold, and then gently and slowly unmold it. Dust the top with powdered sugar and, if you like, add some fruits and berries for garnish. Serve promptly. Friends, I thank you for watching this chocolatey episode. If you have given this chocolate lava cake recipe a try, please take a moment to rate it and share your experience in the comments section below. I truly value your feedback. To discover more scrumptious recipes and effortless culinary inspirations, I invite you to subscribe to my channel and kindly like and share it with your loved ones. In the meantime, take care and stay safe. I will be back soon with another tantalizing delight. Until next time, bye for now.